Is your immune system really attacking your joints, or is it just reacting to something toxic which is internal?
Let's understand immune system is designed to protect our body, right? For example, let's take your body as a kingdom. Now this kingdom is protected by the army. For some odd reason, the army is misinformed that the dushman, the invader, is not from outside but inside the kingdom itself. So, let's say it misidentifies a particular joint in our body as the invader and it starts attacking the joint. That is why we see a lot of patients, primary complaint of rheumatoid arthritis patients is pain in the joints, inflammation of the joints. That is where it's coming from.
Got